Welcome to Polkovnik Serafimovo Village. Nice houses, amazing houses. Let's walk around. So I've been working today for a lady in this village, Polkovnik Serafimovo, and I worked for one day. See how many restored, amazing. These are typical Rhodope houses from the mountain where I live. That's the Rhodope Mountain, and it's now already spring. As I told you in some of my previous videos, wait to see the spring, and it's already starting to blossom. The plum trees are starting to blossom all over, and also flowers in the gardens. See, amazing flowers. And amazing houses. I love this mountain, and I love this village. So usually around this village there are more than 70 foreign people that they bought houses around, because since about 14 years there is a festival, and the people from Europe, mostly from UK, and some people from the United States, make a festival called Meadows in the Mountains. Unfortunately, because of the European elections this year, the festival will not be held, because the dates of the festival happened to be the same dates when the European elections were announced, and the local authorities cannot give permission to the festival organization, because during the elections there will not be able people to drink alcohol, and usually the festival is up there in this forest, and behind this part of the village there is an amazing spot on the mountain hills and meadows where the festival is held usually every year. But this year it's just not gonna happen, the festival. Anyway, this village is one of the most beautiful villages I have visited in the Rhodope Mountain. It's called, as I told you, Polkovnik Serafimovo, and more than 70 foreigners live here. It's an amazing place. Let me show you some more. See, this is a barn, old barn, and that's quite a big one. And oh yes. So these stone houses are the typical Bulgarian, and mostly exactly this type of building with the wooden beams and stone. And some of them also have the tiles roofing. I don't see now exactly with the tiles roofing, but this is a typical building technique in the Rhodope Mountain and also in Bulgaria. So that's the amazing village. Oh, you can see there are the sheep there, and so much plum trees blossoming. See, yep, amazing village and amazing spring times. I just love it. Okay, I've been working all day here down there. I was clearing the stones from the mud between the stones, so they can Later on, make, instead of mud between the stones, there will be like this house here, white cement. And lots of people restore their houses. Lots of people buy houses around the village from around Bulgaria, other people from around Bulgaria, and also foreigners. So this summer I'm gonna show you more views from this village, but I now need to drive my car and go home, take a shower, and start working on some new wooden boxes, some more pink boxes and teal boxes for my website. Thank you for watching, folks. I'm a little bit dirty. See you. Bye bye.